told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
小火分次勾入玻璃芡，再倒入木耳丝和沥干水分的豆腐丝，保持着半开的状态，然后在汤匙面上搅拌均匀，再烧3分钟，放入葱丝搭色。如果你喜欢，关注主播有好菜，没有配方，只有爱。很多粉丝问1斤豌豆粉能做多少量粉？看好了，半斤粉做了足10几碗，1碗豌豆粉，1碗清水搅匀备用。锅中放5碗清水，倒入搅好的豌豆粉，再搅拌，煮到糊涂后，倒入豌豆。
너희처럼 굴 때면 더 많이 사랑해줘. 좋은 곳에 가자 단둘이서 촉촉한 이슬 새벽 공기가 기분 좋은 날 안아줘. 가끔은 기분 좋은 햇살 가끔은 우울한 눈 내리는 비 가끔은 무섭도록 쳐대는 번개. 너와 함께해서 모두 행복한 건데 넌 알고 있을까? 난 네가 없인 안 돼. 내게 기대기만 해서 미안해. 날 떠나면 안 돼. 나도 네가 기댈 수 있는 어른이 되고 싶어. 보고 싶어. 널 보고 싶어. 보고 싶어. 널 보고 싶어. 가끔은 소리 없는 침묵, 가끔은 의미 없는 대화 주제, 가끔은 가끔은 서운함에 눈물 가끔은 대화 없는 오해 아니야 가끔은 뜬금없는 산책 가끔은 내가 해준 요리 가끔은 아무것도 안 해 모두 함께해서 행복한 건데 난 알고 있을까 난 네가 없인 안돼 내게 기대기만 해서 미안해 널 떠나면 안돼 나도 네가 기댈 수 있는 어른이 되고 싶어 보고 싶어 날 보고 싶어 좋아해요 많이 좋아해요 죽지 못해 살아갔지 난 이제 너를 위해 살아갈게 난 내 곁에 있어주면 좋겠어 내 곁에 있어주면 좋겠어
有条件的再撒点葱花，这样做的皮蛋拌黄瓜，我家每天都不够吃，你也做起来吧。